Hey y'all, Honey Ricci here. So I'm currently parked in front of the Skye Aesthetic Spa. I won a giveaway on Instagram where I was awarded, so to speak, a Hydra facial session. Yeah. So my appointment is here, even though I'm like 30 minutes late. But anyways, I'm outside and I want to just show you guys this is what I look like before I go in, and wish me good luck. I haven't had a facial in like 6 months, almost 6 months. So yeah, about 6 months. So let's see how it goes. I'm trying to eat the rest of my barbecue. I got like a cow. I was eating this while I was driving, guys. It's so delicious. I'm right there. That was don't judge me. Don't hate the player, hate the game. So when I walked in, I saw this waiting area, and that's the owner there. She was consulting with another client, and there were like scented candles and perfumes everywhere. Really nice. So this is like the reception area. This only image products you guys sell here. They seem really good. Many spas like to use them.
Image. Really, image product is a very good product.
But it's expensive.
It is. But very active.
I can imagine. Are you using them on me today?
Yes.
See, I'm smiling. Okay, so are you?
Yes, so I would like you to sit down and feel.
Okay. I was given this consultation form where I fill in my details, my skin history, my type of skin, and it just makes them narrow down the kind of treatment I would need. So it's very essential and very innovative. Okay, I should drop it there. Okay. So this was the treatment area. I didn't get your name.
Yes.
Okay. Say hello to my camera. So I'm to lie down?
Yes, we take off your top.
Okay, I have to take off my top. Okay.
Anything for the last hour. Hold it. Hold it.
So I was giving these breathing exercises before starting the facial. Then she went on to cleanse my face with this cleanser, and she really massaged it into my skin well, you know. What are you applying?
Applying a cleanser. I don't prepare the face for the treatment.
Okay. So she said she was cleansing my face to prepare my face for the facial, for the treatment, and cleansing is always a first step. So this is what she's doing, very expertly and bougie, but you know, basically washing my face for me, washing off that deadly sunscreen I had on to prepare my face, and my face actually looked brighter and smoother immediately she did this step.
A bit of granite in it.
Okay. So it's like a physical exfoliant.
Yes.
And glycolic acid. Okay. So both you physically on your face. Okay. That's fine. Should I close my eyes? So she said she that the scrub she was using on my face contains glycolic acid also. So it also contains a chemical exfoliant, but it's a physical exfoliant. And that's just what she's doing. She's applying the scrub all over my face and my neck, and she did it with some vigor. Like, my skin was a bit scratched after this, and no shade intended, but I'm not used to harsh scrubs, you guys know that. But I guess since it's a facial, it's allowed this one-time treatment, and my face was really exfoliated and soft after this. The next step after exfoliating was to steam my face with the scrub left on. So that was just me receiving a steamer behind. It felt really nice. Now after the steaming came the extraction step. So she was extracting clogged pores, blocked pores, whiteheads from underneath the surface of my skin. And she did it ever so gently, like she was really professional. It didn't scar me, or it wasn't excessively painful. You know what I mean? I used to dread this. I almost told her not to do this step, but I just said let me see and watch, and it was cool. I hope these extractions won't leave spots on my face. So the next step after the extraction was the microdermabrasion, and it's done to optimize the exfoliation. This was my first time of getting it, and it felt really good. It has this sucking effect, like, you know, someone was using air to kind of suck something off of your face. So the next step was what she called a beta lift peel, which was like a combination of salicylic acid and retinol to apply to, you know, spots on the face. If you have active breakouts, you apply all over the face. Okay. So how many layers?
2 layers. 1 to 2 layers. I'll do 2 layers.
So it's a peel. So is it like alpha hydroxy acid?
This one is benzoyl peroxide, yeah. So beta hal.
Okay.
So it's drying out. It will dry out the spots. Sometimes when people have severe acne, we'll apply the peel to the entire face and then go over the active lesions with this spot treatment. But your acne is not bad, because they do have some tiny bit of breakout.
So what are you applying now?
This is a retin A cream and retinol enhancer.
So after the beta lift peel, she then went on to use a retin A cream and a retinol enhancer to, you know, make the effect of the peel even better. And I was just beginning to feel very nice, like my skin was feeling soft already, glowing already, and I was just telling her how great it felt. And yeah, so this was the last step before sunscreen. And not to forget, there was a complimentary hand massage that came after the facial, like you're supposed to be doing anyway. So this was Grace giving me a very top-notch hand massage, very nice and bougie, you know. So she's applying the sunscreen now into the skin of my face, my neck, massaging thoroughly. So everything she applied, it wasn't rinsed off, and the peel was self-neutralizing, like she said. So it was a leave-on peel, leave-on retinol cream and the enhancer. And she also applied eye cream. Like, it was a treat, man. Like, I felt really, really good, you know. Some facial TLC. So in essence, like, the facial I came for was a Hydra facial, but because of my needs, my skin was well hydrated, so they decided to do a better lift peel because of my acne prone skin, and that was it. So she's just showing us the after result, the glow. Like, it was a customized facial, which was really nice. Okay, I'm done with my treatment. Thank you so much, Skye Aesthetics. My face is popping. It looks better than when I walked in, actually. It looks cleaner and brighter. Okay, thank you. Good night. All right. Thank you.
Make sure you keep us posted.
No problem.
DM me on Instagram.
No problem. I will.
So it should dry out.
Okay.
Yeah?
All right.
If it starts to peel, I'll let pictures please.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. Bye. So this is me signing out, going outside, finally done with the treatment. It was a nice time. You guys should subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.